Just a short one on camping security. For those of you who do wild camping or canoe camping, you can never be too sure on the areas until you get there what they're going to be like. Canoe camping especially, because you never know whether you're going to be able to get actually onto the bank where you intended to camp unless you know the area. You may find yourself quite near to a pathway which isn't on Google Maps or anything. So one of the things that I use is the simple panic alarms. All they are, you pull the pin so it's easy to set up on a tripwire. Set this across, then fishing wire, which I always carry in the bag with it, can go to a tree the other side of a path, or most likely route into your campsite where you're camping, and there you go. You'll know if anybody's heading towards you in the middle of the night. Quite simple. When you leave your tent, you can even rig this up on your 2 zips on your tent, so as if somebody pulls the zip up, off it goes, which if you're fairly close by you'll be able to hear, or somebody will. It may just make them run off. So just a little tip. They're very cheap. This picked up about 180 off of eBay, and I'll have 3 of them. As I say, you can set them up around your camp or on your tent itself on the zips, because all tents on the entrances have 2 zips. You just put one end to each of the zips, and then if somebody pulls it up, obviously it pulls the pin out and off it goes. So just a little tip, hope that helps. Thanks.